Umentri ka kot ka khia jong ka jilla uba el hek ha ka sngi balang jong ka nyo tarik unai tung uloong ba ka jingwan jong umentri korbari u Amit Shah kanlong ha khat nyo tarik unai tung bat uni umentri korbari un pleru ya ka oxygen plan hanong ba shilong uba hek ulaya thoru ba ma u lembat ki he ofsa jong ka tanat ka kot ka khia kilale jingo ru ya ka liquid medical oxygen tank bat ka dei ru ka bala ban pendam uba hek ulaya thoru bawlali benjengo ya ka step down hospital kabalong ka jingtung khre na ka banta ka wat ka balai jong covid khat khandai bat ka ni ka hospital ka don ru ya ka jaka sumar nang ta khilong bat kumju ru ya ki balarang ba uba hek ulaya thu ba ka ni ka hospital haru banta ka don sanpot li jing thia bat san li on sala ban pendap haswa ka khatnyo tarik unai tung shu uba hek ulaya thu ru ba un sakrpat ya Menteri Korbari u Amit Shah ba un place don ya ka covid step down hospital ha sauli ha ka khatnyo tarik banta banai.
The visit of Amit Shah ji, likely he is going to inaugurate one of the project in the state of Meghalaya from the official sources, right? So today we went to see the LMO, liquid medical oxygen tank. The capacity is 13 kiloliter and also is a refilling tank. And also we went to inspect also the step down COVID hospital, which is preparation for the third wave. Both will be having there the pediatric ward and also for the adult ward. Total beds will be 50 in that step down COVID hospital. 7 ICU will be for the pediatricians, for the pediatrics, for the children. Then 9 will be for the adult. Then the almost 20 beds for the adult, the rest will be for the pediatrics, for the step down COVID hospital. So I also will request, since the Honorable Union Home Minister is coming, Shri Amit Shah ji, I will also request through my, the party level, that he should also inaugurate the project on the day he will arrive here or the day on his visit to Shillong.